Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Hotmail account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Hotmail account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Hotmail login. And after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page where you can tap on this first option which says how to sign in into Hotmail. And after tapping on that, you will come up to this page where you can tap on the sign in option. And after tapping on sign in, now you have to enter your email address. So just simply enter your Hotmail email address. After entering your Hotmail's email address, just tap on next and then enter your Hotmail's password. So if you don't remember your Hotmail's password, or if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on forgot password. After tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or record your password. So you can do that if you have forgotten your password. So after entering your password, now tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, now it will ask you if you would like to stay signed in to your Hotmail account. So if you want to do that, you can tap on yes. If you don't, you can tap on no. So now if you want to stay signed into your account, what you can do is just tap on yes. But if you don't want to do that, you can tap on no. So just select the following option that you like. And after doing that, here you can see you have successfully logged into your Hotmail account. So you have logged into your Outlook account, which basically means Hotmail. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Hotmail account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.